Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Today we have with us one more budget smartwatch from Boat and it's the Boat Watch Mystiq. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and show you its features. So starting with the unboxing experience, in the front we have the model name Watch Mystiq and here we have the picture of the smartwatch. At this side, we can see some key features such as animated workout coach, stress monitoring, call and text notifications. At the back of the box we have some more features such as 17 sports modes with auto sports recognition, sleep, heart rate and SPO2 monitoring, ambient light sensor for auto brightness, 1.57-inch HD screen, personalized watch faces, it's 5 ATM dust, sweat and splash resistant, camera and music control, and you get 4 breathe training modes. The MRP of this smartwatch is Rs 8,990. However, it's available to purchase right now for just Rs 2,999 on Amazon. Now, let's open the box and show you the content. So here we have the nicely packed smartwatch. In terms of the box content, first we get the product catalog from Boat, a warranty card, and here we have the user guide of this smartwatch. You also get this sticker from Boat. And then here we have the smartwatch itself. And guys, my first impression about this smartwatch is that it feels slightly heavy and that is mainly due to the metal body. And also, looking at it for the first time, it does look like an Apple Watch. We will look at the smartwatch in a moment. Let's see the charging cable. So here we have the charging cable and it's a magnetic cable which connects at the back of the watch like this. So that's all we get in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. So here we have the Boat Watch Mystiq. It's a budget fitness smartwatch priced under Rs 3,000. But looking at the design and build quality, I find it very good and it does look and feel premium. The TPU straps of this smartwatch are of good quality and you get this red accent loop which has the Boat branding. And in my opinion, it's a bit too much and only the colored loop would have been better. In terms of the overview, in the front we have the 1.56-inch HD screen and you also get this curved glass which looks pretty good. On the right side of the smartwatch, we have the red accent crown button to power on the watch. At the back we have the heart rate and the SPO2 sensor and below it we have the charging points. So overall in terms of design and build quality, I find the Boat Watch Mystiq pretty good. The watch feels premium and I also find it really comfortable on the hand. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So here the watch is on. Now let's connect the watch to the app first. So here we have the app Boat Mystiq and the app is available for both Android and iOS platform. So to pair it, we need to go to the add device section and select the watch from the list. And that's it, our smartwatch is now ready to use. Now let's look at the smartwatch features first. So here we are on the watch face and guys, you can change the watch face by long pressing on the screen and then swipe up or down to see the default watch faces. You can select the watch face by long pressing on the screen. In this smartwatch, you can also further customize the default watch faces by tapping once on the watch face and it could be different color or style of that particular watch face. Now about the menu, swiping up on the watch face will show you the quick settings and here we have the scientific sleep by which you can turn on the REM sleep monitoring and then we have the DND, torch and brightness. And about the brightness, this smartwatch supports auto brightness and you have the ambient light sensor and that is really good. Swiping down from the top will show you the fitness data and here we have the step count, calories burns and so on. Swiping right from the left side will show you the notification history and swiping left from the right side will show you the workout menu and here we have different workout modes and in total you get 17 workout modes in this smartwatch. And also guys, you get this animated coach in the HIIT workout which will help beginners a lot. Now coming back to the menu, swiping left again on the workout menu will show you the main menu. And here we have first the SPO2 monitoring. The SPO2 monitoring is fast and also fairly accurate. Then in the menu we have the heart rate monitoring and here as well the data is accurate and you also get continuous heart rate monitoring in this smartwatch. Then in the menu we have the breathe training and in this smartwatch you get 4 breathing exercises which is definitely an advantage. Then in the watch menu we have the stress monitoring and here it shows you a score to let you know the current stress level. After that we have the events which you can add through the app. Then in the watch we have some usual options such as stopwatch, timer with some preset timers, and then we have the compass. And about that, it's good to see compass in this budget fitness smartwatch. And then finally, we have the settings. In these settings, first we have the watch faces, and from here you can select the default watch faces. After that we have the menu style, which you can choose between tiled and list. And then we have the toggle to turn on the smart track, and with this, the watch will auto detect the workout and will start the sports mode accordingly. Then in the settings we have the 24 hours auto heart rate monitoring, DND, time format, and the reset watch option. So that's all we have in the smartwatch, and right now I can say that the touch response is decent, the menu is lag free, but it's not buttery smooth like some other smartwatches in this price segment. And also, I didn't see couple of features like music control and the remote camera shutter, and I believe they're integrated in the companion app. Now let's look at the companion app Boat Mystiq. So on the homepage we have the fitness data, and on the top we have the current day step count, calories burns, and so on. And below it we can see the workout activities. After that we have the sleep, heart rate, stress, and SPO2 data. You can tap on any of these categories to see historical data. On the homepage you also have the quick workout mode, by which you can start walking, running, or cycling mode from the app. On the next page we have the device settings, and here we can see the connected device. In these settings, first we have the watch face store, and for some reason it didn't work for us even after trying a lot of times. Now coming back to the settings, below the watch face store we have the alarm and the message notification settings, and here you can select the apps for which you want the notification on your smartwatch. And talking about the notification, here is how you get the call alert. So you get the vibration alert for calls, and upon long pressing you can reject the call from the watch itself. And here is how you get the message alert. So guys, you don't get the preset reply option, and also this smartwatch doesn't support emojis. Now talking more about the settings, then we have the sedentary reminder, camera shutter mode, which lets you click photos remotely using your smartwatch. After that we have the raise to wake feature, which by the way works pretty good. And also we have the option to change the raise to wake sensitivity. Then in the settings we have the vibration settings, and here you can select different vibration patterns for call, alarm, and message notifications. And to be honest, I'm really happy to see this option in this smartwatch. So overall, the Boat Watch Mystiq is a wonderful smartwatch in this price segment. The design and the build quality is good, and I find it really comfortable on the hand. The touch response is decent, and the menu is also organized. The fitness data is also accurate, and I find the animated coach for workouts also a plus point, especially for beginners. There are few things which I really like about this smartwatch, such as compass, raise to wake sensitivity feature, ambient light sensor, and also the custom vibration. But guys, for some reason the watch store wasn't working for us, and I think Boat can fix it in the next app update. Nonetheless, if you're looking for a good quality smartwatch for daily usage and fitness activities, then you can definitely check out the newly launched Boat Watch Mystiq. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Boat Mystiq smartwatch. Let us know if you like it, and also if you have any queries or questions about this smartwatch, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Gig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.